Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Loklok on your laptop or PC. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Loklok and then open the first link and then you will see Windows app, press on it and then press on download Windows app and the download will start immediately. After it finishes downloading, all you need to do is to open it. And then, do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Click on yes. And then you check this box and then press on install now. And then you can use it freely on your laptop, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.